Ever wondered how taxes work and why they are so important for personal finance? Well, taxes may seem like a daunting maze, but they're fundamentally about funding public services and infrastructure. That's right, the roads, schools, and hospitals we use are largely funded by taxes. We all contribute in one form or another through income tax, sales tax, or property tax. So, understanding taxes isn't just about filling out forms, it's about knowing where your money goes. Remember, understanding taxes is crucial for managing your finances effectively. There are different types of taxes that you may encounter in your financial journey. The first is income tax. This is the tax you pay based on the money you earn from your job or business. It's like a contribution you make towards the functioning of the government, directly proportional to your earnings. Next, we have sales tax. This is an additional amount that you pay when purchasing goods or services. It's like a fee you pay for the opportunity to consume. You buy a pizza, you pay a bit extra as sales tax. Finally, there's property tax. If you own real estate, you'll likely need to pay property tax. This is calculated based on the value of your property. It's like a yearly subscription you pay for owning a piece of the earth. Knowing the types of taxes helps to understand where your money goes and how to plan your finances better. Have you ever wondered how your income tax is calculated? It all begins with understanding tax brackets. Now imagine income tax as a set of steps. Each step represents a tax bracket, a range of income taxed at a specific rate. As your income increases, you move up these steps or brackets, and each one has a higher tax rate. Here's where it gets interesting. Not all your income is taxed at the same rate. Only the income within each bracket is taxed at that bracket's rate. This is known as progressive taxation. So, if you're in the third tax bracket, for example, only the portion of your income that falls within that bracket is taxed at the third bracket's rate. The rest of your income is still taxed at the lower rates of the first and second brackets. Understanding tax brackets can help you anticipate your tax liability and plan your finances accordingly. Do you know the difference between tax deductions and tax credits? Tax deductions and credits are like two sides of the same coin, both helping you decrease the amount of tax you owe, but in different ways. Let's start with tax deductions. These are certain expenses you've incurred throughout the year that the government allows you to subtract from your gross income. Common examples include home mortgage interest, student loan interest, and charitable donations. By lowering your gross income, deductions effectively decrease the amount of your income that is subject to tax. On the other side, we have tax credits. These are a direct reduction of your tax bill. Unlike deductions, which lower your taxable income, tax credits lower your tax liability, dollar for dollar. Imagine them as coupons that you can apply directly to your tax bill. Examples include the Child Tax Credit and the American Opportunity Tax Credit for education expenses. Leveraging tax deductions and credits can significantly reduce your tax liability, leaving more money in your pocket. Now that you understand the basics of taxes, what's next? Well, it's all about putting this knowledge into action. First off, ensure you're avoiding common tax mistakes, like not reporting all your income or overlooking potential deductions. These errors might seem small, but they can lead to penalties and a larger tax bill. So, double-check your work, and when in doubt, consult a tax professional. The next step in your tax journey is planning. Tax planning isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process that can significantly impact your financial future. Strategies like contributing to retirement accounts or planning for tax-deductible expenses can help you reduce your tax liability for the next year. The goal is to work smarter, not harder, and tax planning is a crucial part of that. As far as filing taxes, preparation is key. Gather all your financial documents ahead of time and decide on the most beneficial way to file. Remember, you can file taxes manually, use tax software, or consult a tax professional. Choose the method that best suits your needs and comfort level. Lastly, continue learning. Taxes might seem complex, but the more you understand, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the tax terrain. This is just the beginning, and there's so much more to discover. Understanding taxes is a powerful tool in your personal finance arsenal. Keep learning, stay proactive, and you'll be well on your way to financial success.